Question number 9 of exercise 13.1. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter long. You must have seen so many poles on the road and their shadows also. So here there is a pole and its shadow is given, the length of its shadow is given. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high and the height of the pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter long. So somewhere shadows are given, length of the shadows is given, and somewhere length of the pole is given, and we have to basically find both the things, the shadow, the length of the pole and the length of the shadow. So the two things basically in this question are the pole and the shadows. So first of all, the length of the pole is 5 meter 60 centimeter and the shadow is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now find at the same time the length of the shadow. This we have to find. This is y2. Find the length of the shadow cast by another pole which is 10 meter 50 centimeter high. Find the height of a pole. Now this time we have to find the height of the pole which cast a shadow of 5 meter. So height of the pole is missing. This is going to be x3. Usually we take this one as x and this one as y. So x1, x2, x3 is missing, y1 is given, y2 is missing, y3 is given. So if we see, this is the completely box which is given. Using this we will find the missing values. Now here if you see children, something is given in meter, some in centimeter. So it's better that you write everything in either in meter or in centimeter. Okay, you can write it as 5.6 meter. This one can be 3.2 meter. Okay, because 1 meter has 100 centimeters. This can be written as 10.5 meter. So all this answer will come in meter. It is better that you write like this. Okay, after writing this, you can inside that box only small you can write this. Okay, and find out the missing value. Now question number 10th is that a loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. Okay, it is covering a distance of 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Now there are two things, the distance covered by the truck and the time it takes. Okay, so many time it takes. Okay, so the distance it covers is 14 kilometer in 25 minutes. Okay, 14 kilometer in 25 minutes. How far can it travel in 5 hours? So how much far? x2 suppose we can take. So 5 hours. Now this one is given in minutes, this one is given in hours. You can't you cannot formulate it like this, you can't solve it. So convert this hours into minutes. So how will you convert? Multiply by 60. So this will become in minutes. Okay, like this, do it.